Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about snake plant care. What is plant?
Snake plant.
Okay. Oh, I forget to introduce one my guest. What's your name?
Jeevan.
He's my son. Every day he crying. I also joining. He want to join with me to explain about that plants. So that's why I call him. Okay. So regarding snake plant. Snake plant is a good indoor as well as outdoor plant. I think many people are selecting this plant because it is a good air purifier. So it remove all chemicals from our home. Then it purify our air. Then regarding care, first we can move on to soil. When I am planting this, when I am reporting this snake plant, based on pot, based on our size of pot, I taking 70 percentage of coco peat, otherwise pet moss, then 20 percentage of perlite, then 10 percentage of multi-purpose compost. This is the mixture of soil I am suggesting. Then when we are reporting, then we can, I told you we can keeping in indoor as well as outdoor. When we keeping indoor, it low light plant, okay. So if we are providing bright indirect light also, no problem, it will survive. So it will survive in low light. So don't worry about this plant. Then regarding temperature, many people tell, oh, we cannot keep AC for this plant because we can, in our room not that much cold, so we can keep this plant. Yes, you can keep this plant, it will survive without AC also, it no need much cool. Then many people are asking, I am in Muscat, so many people are asking when we are going India for vacation or any other place, when we are going vacation, which plant we can select, because if we are keeping one plant, when we are going for vacation for 1 month, when we are returning, that plant will die. So which plant we can select? Then I can suggest you can choose snake plant, because when we are going our native place during vacation time, just we can apply full water, pouring water. Then after 1 month also, no problem for this plant, it will survive. So no need cool also. Then regarding, I told you, we can keep in low light area, dark area, as well as we can providing in indirect bright light. So I suggesting you can keep you can provide indirect bright light, because it we can see that more growth compared to when we are keeping this planting in dark area. Then regarding outdoor, when we are keeping outdoor, direct sunlight is not good for this plant because leaf become bare. So we can keeping in shade area. One example I can show you. Here you can see this plant. I keeping in, you can see dried here, because I keeping this plant in outdoor but not in shade area. So that leaf become dry. When I shifted to good shade area, you can see here, this branch don't have any problem, not dry leaves. So this is the one example. Then regarding water, this plant don't like overwatering. So when the soil is completely dry, then we can apply the water. Then next we can move on to propagation. So we can we can propagate it by leaf propagation we can use, as well as we can remove the baby plant from mother plant. Then we can keeping in new pot, then it will grow. I will show you. I took one leaf from this plant. Then I put water. So roots came, okay, roots also, then new branches also started to come. Then one thing, when we are keeping, you can see here green with yellow, mean yellow with green shade leaf I took. But when we are putting in water, when root come also, when we are shifted to soil, we cannot get yellow with green. This type of plant we cannot get. Only green plant, green snake plant we can get. You can see here coming green, okay, full green only, not yellow shade. So this is the propagation. I took one leaf, then I putting in water, then now roots came out. So now I will shift it to soil, then we can get new plants, okay. Then second thing, propagation by baby plants, okay. I take it, you can see here also small baby plants, see. Small baby plants are here. So I just take out that baby plant. When it's small also, I will shift it to new pot. So we can shift it or we can separate baby plant. So you can see. When we are taking that baby plant, I mean when we are shifting that baby plant to new pot, when the plants come, it will get yellow with green. I mean I shifted one yellow green baby plant. That full plant will get yellow with green shade. Same like when we are shifting small baby, I mean baby plant of green snake plant. So when we can get green snake plant, fully green snake plant we can get. So when we are using, when we are taking that leaf for propagation, if we are taking green leaf or if we are taking yellow with green shade leaf, but we can get only green plant only, not getting yellow shade. Then this is the one example, one proof, okay. I took yellow, you can see yellow with, here you can see stems, okay. 1, 2, 3 stems. 3 stem mean 3 leaf I taken, I mean yellow shade with green. But when I get new plants, I get fully green plants, okay. So this is the difference. When we are shifting a small baby plant, we can get, when I took this one only leaf. But when I take instead of this small baby plant of yellow with green, I can get fully yellow with green plants. But I took leaf propagation, I make leaf propagation. That's why I got full green plant. Then you can see here, this is arrival from Holland, okay, Holland snake plant. So you can see the beauty. This is also same like this plant, okay. It arrival from Holland, but it not like this type, okay. It's same like this plant, but I don't much care about this plant because when I pouring this plant, I over watering. So when I done over watering, leaf become dry, okay. Then suddenly I shifted to good shade area. So other leaf not get any other problem, but it grow fastly. So I suggest you can keeping in, if you are keeping indoor, good, you can provide good indirect, I mean bright light. You can keeping in low light also, but not much growth you can see. Then you can see here growth, you can, many new plants came, okay. Yeah, I told this one is baby, okay, baby plant. So you can take this baby plant, you can shift it, I already show. You can shift it, then you can make new plant, okay. So this is the example of over watering. Then when I keeping in shade area, it become more baby plant compared to this, okay. This one I keeping in indoor only, but I correctly watering, so this leaf don't get any damage. Then I make here one ceramic pot, okay? With ceramic pot, big plant. I think you can see big plant. This is from Iran, okay? So I just, you can see that soil. I mean 70% of coco peat and 20% of perlite. That white, you can see white parts, perlite, okay? Then 10% of only compost. So this is the soil mixer, okay? Then I will show one beauty snake plant. See? We can use like table plant, okay? Here, from my experience, I think many people are telling, yo, we don't know how to watering this plant because sometimes when we are applying water, it become more, then plant become die. So I suggest you, if you have like this problem, you can take like this one bowl, then apply only water, then we can decorating with some stone. It don't get any problem. Here you can see leaves also very good, no problem, no dry also. I kept for 6 months. Then I will show root cells. Then watering. When we are applying watering, see, you can see here that pink stone. Till that only that water I applied, okay? Because till there only root, okay? Above that root not applied because that water does not touch for leaf. You can see here root only, root area only I apply water. I think you can see here roots. So roots are visible. So I suggest you can choose like, I mean you can keep snake plant in water. Then I'm not changing this water, okay? But once in 10 days, I refilling water. So that much only care of snake plant in water. Then problems I told you already, only overwatering is make that leaf become yellow and dry, then plant will die. Then if we are keeping direct sunlight also, you can see same like this, leaf become wet. So if you don't have snake plant, you can select because it good for indoor as well as outdoor, then good air purifier. If we are keeping these plants, we can go vacation, if return back, no problem for this plant. So if you like my video, please share. If you does not subscribe, please subscribe it. Thank you.